Shoutout sa'yo, Ninyo Lukyao.
Nung nakaraan,
Matulog ka na. May pasok ka pa.
Hindi ko matandaan. Hindi ko matandaan. Nung nakaraan.
yun siya yung binigay sa akin na yun.
Oh, Taga manood ni import ah.
Kaya si Mark.
Marunong ba maglaro yun?
Sina?
Yun.
Yung Negra?
Segoy.
Negra?
Oh.
Marunong yan.
Naglalaro sa FBC yun eh.
Hmm.
First five ng Amigos. Baksapra, Mamar, Binyas, Ruiz, and Craig Jamel. You know? Sa kabila, Carrion, Domanais, Ebonia, Castillo, and sino pa isa? Wala pa isa. Losada, magtakin ka, Losada. Takin mo, ganda ng jersey mo. Ganda rin ng shoes mo. Lahat maganda sa'yo, ikaw lang hindi. Jump ball between Ray and Binyas, Denver. Yun, nakakuha ni Baksapra. Pass to Craig Jamel. Ay! Double, dribble. Oh, good boy, Sambola. Bonya, pass to Domanais, favorite. Wale, rebound by Carrion. Carrion! Good ball to by Carrion. Dito, magpapawisan ka ng upot-upot. Giovanni Perez, shoutout sa Giovanni Perez. Melrich Arita, Aristeo Puliado, shoutout sa inyo. Ruiz tumira, wala. Nakakuha ni Domanais. Domanais, pass to Junel. Pass to Lozada, Lozada, 3 points. Lakas tsamba. Ruiz, Walter, Ruiz, pass to Binyas. Pass to Mamar. 10 seconds to shoot. Ruiz, nasundutan. Nakawan Domanais. Pass break to Carrion, hinabol ng dalawa. Carrion, wala. Nakawan ni Mamar, pass to Baksapra, pass to Ruiz, nagulat pa. Ruiz. 10 seconds to shoot. Baksapra thinking 3, paboarding pa. Baksapra, 3 points. Rajiv Balahim, shoutout sa'yo, Balahim, Raj. Lakas mo yung tili mo dyan. Sayang yung init ng pawis. Domanais, pass to Lozada, hindi mawakan ng bola, nakawan ni Jem, pass to Mamar, super pasa. Sabi ko na kay Mamar super pasa. Jamel, tumira, wala na ako ni Domanais. Binato kay Junel. Foul basket. Basket count, foul number 8. Ruiz shooting foul. Shoutout sir, wala ka daw na si Ayam kay Joel. Buset. Louis De Leon, shoutout sa'yo, hindi kayo nag-entry. Doon ako nalungkot. Nakawa ni Papa Ray, hindi na makayuko. Nakawa pa rin ni Papa Ray. Pinasa kay Junel. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 22. Baksapra. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ebonya taking 3. Short. Rebound by Ruiz para mabubual. Ruiz. KT Plaza. Kan. Rajiv Balahin. Shoutout sa inyo po. Ruiz guarded by Carrion. Pass to Mamar. Pass to Binyas. Favorite. Mahina. Nakakuha ni. Ano ito? Carrion. Pinasa kay Ebonya. Jump ball Cayetano. Shoutout sa Jump ball Cayetano. May laro kayo sa Biyernes.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Junel. 5 seconds. Carrion, wala. Nakakuha ni Binyas. Pinasa kay Mamar. Traveling si Mamar. Si Super Mamar. Boss B, dinudugo ka na? Ebonya. Pinasa kay Lozada. Pasok Carrion. Binalik kay Lozada. Lozada picks. Lozada. Lopala kay Domanayes. 10 seconds to shoot. Lozada wala. Nakuha ni Domanayes. Pinasa kay Baksabra. Pinasa kay, ano ba yan? Si Binyas. Blanca. Nakuha ni Baksabra. Foul. Who's foul up? Foul. Number 26. Carrion. Ikaw lang uubos na sigarilyo ko eh. Okay, bro. Okay. Yeah? I understand. 2 free throws. By JM. Baksabra. First free throw. Miss. Second free throw. Shout out to you, my friend. What's your name? Why? What a sky high rebound. Rebound by Jamel. Foul. There's the whistle committed by number 24. Pushing foul. 2 free throws by Quay Jamel. Foul prep. Michael, my friend, in. Mamar. Super Mamar out. 2 shots by Quay Jamel. I mean, where are you going, my friend? Okay, sleep. First free throw is good.
Tama, 4, ano pa lang? Wala, 4, amigo.
4-7.
Second free throw by Jamel. Quay Jamel. Hey! What happened to you, my friend? Not enough energy? Papa Ray. Pass to Ebonya. Rayo Retutar, Laya Serit, Kankan. Giovanni Perez, shout out to all of you. Lozada looking for his teammate, pass to Junel. Junel drop pass to Domanayes, good for 2. Four minutes in the first quarter. Binyas, pass to Baksabra thinking 3, too strong. Stepping on the line. Maroon ball. Castillo inbounding the ball. Pass to Al. Gerald Gonzalez, Sherwin Organo, Isidro Acerdano. Shout out to all of you. Carrion. Too strong. Rebound by Piñas. Pass to Ruiz. Ruiz, coast to coast. Ruiz. Floater, no good. Rebound. Oy! Maroon ball. Ebonya looking for his teammate. Ebonya pass to Lozada. Reverse layup is no good. Rebound by Ruiz. Pass to Binyas. Super layup. No good. Rebound by Binyas again. Binyas. Put back. No good again. Rebound by Ebonya. Pass to Junel. Pass to Ebonya. Long pass. Pass to Domanayes. No good. Put back by Lozada. Good for 2 by Lozada, the whistleblower. Baksabra thinking 3. Baksabra 3 points. Gwengel Gabriel, shout out sa coach ng Bini.
11-7.
Okay, score 11-7. 4-point lead by Good Boys. Remaining time 2 minutes 5 seconds in the first quarter. Carrion, pass to Junel looking for his teammate. Pass to Ebonya. 5 seconds to shoot. Ebonya. No good. Rebound by Ruiz. Oy! Last sub. Ruiz out. Fuentes and Sangrones in. Oy, Libuit, shout out sa'yo, Libuit. Nurhana Abdullah, shout out madam. Lozada tingin 3, no good. Rebound by Sangrones. Pass to Saturday. Pass to Jamel. Gray. Good for 2 by Gray. What a layup. Domanayes, pass to Carrion. No good. Rebound by Rebabay! Rebabay! Junel, super lap. Good for two by Junel. Palakasan ng hiyaw.
55 seconds.
Ha? Kapatid ni Vidal yun eh.
50 seconds.
50 seconds. Basket counted. May kasama pang foul. Foul number 34. Domanais. Time out. Time out. Time out. Amigos. Oh, kapatid ni Vidal sa magkaibang nanay.
Tingnan ko ang time.
59.
Yan, namamaos na nga ako eh. Kakahiyaw eh. Score. Score. 13-11. 2-point lead by Good Boys. Remaining time. 49 seconds. Back to the ball game. Bonus free throw by Sangrones. Oh, one free throw only. One free throw. Jumper. One free throw. Arvin Alvarez, Jovan J, Giovanni Perez. Shout out to all of you. First, bonus free throw by Chris Sangrones. Basket is good. Carrion. Robic.
45.
45 seconds.
40.
40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Ebonya. Foul. Basket.
Relax.
Kalma, relax, chill. Okay. Basket counted. Okay. Offensive foul number 15. Nai-release mo na ang bola pero nakaumang ang iyong paa.
Pero walang offensive. Tapos basket yung nasa.
16-12.
16-12.
35 seconds.
Remaining time, 32 seconds. Sabado, magluluto na. Sabado pa rin, pinasa kay Baksabra. Uno good, ribabay. Puedes, paso, Jamel. Good point to by. Wait, Jamel.
15.
Yes, Patrick Villamin, shoutout sa'yo.
10.
10 seconds. 5. Ebonya. 2. End of the first quarter. Score 18-14. 4-point lead by Good Boys. Shout out kay Chris and Diana ng Team Amigos from Jovan J. Galvanize. Jordan Cabalona, Tris Lacerna, shout out sa inyo.
Okay na. Nasa Netherlands, uwi na, punta Netherlands. For good na.
Back to the ball game. Labanan to ng nagbibigay ng masasarap na ulam eh. Sabado tsaka Carrion. Battle of the Chef. Battle of the Chef. Junex Rodriguez, Boss Emil. Shoutout sa Boss Emil. Jerilyn Bulag. Shoutout sa'yo, madam. Vidal, kanina ka pa dyan, dinudugo ka na dyan. Your nose is bleeding, bro. Iyay! Carrion, paso sa porno, using the board, no good, ribabay.
Sino ba yun?
Oy, stepping, foul. Pushing foul number. Shout out sa'yo, Bonnie.
Sinan?
6. Pushing foul number 6, go. Shout out sa'yo, Madam Bonnie, yung pa-premyo natin. Best player. Pwede natin bigay yun. Isang migoreng kada best player.
Dami ko pinamili, halagang $100.
Oh!
Okay.
Kasi resibo.
Resibo talaga. Halagang ginamit ko.
Sana all. Okay, bawi tayo. Blanco! Pass team by Bak Sabra. Pass to, my friend. No good. Last touch by Tubig. KT Plaza, shout out sa'yo with heart. Kan, Junex Rodriguez, shout out sa'yo kay Emil. So, ay! Ribamay. Ano ito? Kaibigan, Lampara, wala. Ribamay Blanco, pass to Carrion, the master chef. Carrion. No good by master chef. Rod. Oy! Side stepping by Sangrones. Foul. Number
Second.
6. Tubig. Second personal foul.
Second team foul.
Second team foul. Kaya nga ang gulo no? Tubig ni Gerald. 2 free throws by Sangrones. And watch out to you, my friend. I don't know who you are. But,
Ha?
Nasut lang.
Nasut.
first free throw is good.
Pepe.
Pepe? Siya? Sino ba?
Hindi, yung sinasabi ko. Second throw, no good. Lima by Dotado. Black by Blanco. Sangrones, force it. Foul. Who's fouled up? Foul number 2. Who knows? Sino? Number 2, who? 28. Carrion, first personal foul. 13 foul, good boys. First free throw by Sangrones. Basket. Shout out kay Gob Tubig. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Gob. Wala bang ensaymada dyan? Second free throw, basket. Saporno, the point guard. Jericho Ursua, shoutout sa'yo. Jericho Ursua, shoutout sa'yo, boss. Jordan Cabalona, shoutout sa'yo. Jordan Cabalona, wala bang duty?
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Torres, high flyer, shot. Good ball to by Torres, a.k.a. Iskastakli. Back Sabra, pass to my friend. Back Sabra. Ano ba paano, Abdal? Sangrones na naman. Sangrones. No good, ribabay. Dotado. Still by Gob. Saporno behind the back. Saporno. Pass to Blanco. Shot. Ribabay Torres. Foul. Who's foul up? Foul number 12.
Pepe.
20.
12. Number 12, Pepe.
Ano ba pagbasa?
Number 12, Pepe.
Pepe Smith. Foul.
Ilan taon na yun?
Pepe. Isa. One foul.
Pepe Herrera yun.
Oo nga.
Kaya Pepe tayo.
Pasok. Ang pangalawa.
21-17.
Score 21-17. 4-point lead by Good Boys. Back Sabra thinking 3. No good. Ribabay. Torres. Grabe ka lumipad. Pass to Noli. Favorite behind the back. Saporno. Pass to Tubig. Nahilo. Nadapa. Naluhod. Pinaagaw. Still by Torres. Torres again. Torres. Pass to Saporno. Pass to Carrion. Nagtimpla ng sisig. Wala. Ribabay Torres. Carrion. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul.
Number 06.
Foul number 6. 6 ba? 06. Okay. Sa baba. Foul sa baba. Geo Evans Bartolin, shoutout sa'yo. Carrion, nagtimpla ng sisig, wala pa rin.
Pepe.
Wala pa sa building.
Pepe Herrera, pass to Sangrones, pass to Idol, basican mo lang yan, 2 points sa'yo. Takbong mayaman, Belly, ikaw pala si Belly. Shaira Padilla, Junex Rodriguez, JP Villamin, shoutout sa inyo mga bossing ko.
10 to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. Ha! Ano ba yan? Nasobrahan ka sa timpla ng bagoong. Gwengail Gabriel, shout out sa'yo. Gwengail Gabriel. Okay. Sige, sub. Sub. Bele out. Walter in. Josefina Villanueva, shout out po sa inyo. Magandang gabi. JM, pass to Pepe Herrera. Pass to Dotado, intercept by Blanco. Blanco, pass to Carrion. Nagugulat pa. Carrion, pinitpit na naman. Carrion! Pasok na yan. Lutuan mo ng dinuguan niya. Ruiz. Paso Sangrones. Sangrones, still by Carrion. Carrion, nagmamadali. Carrion, nagtitimpla. Carrion, may foul. Okay, saglit. Foul number 8, Ruiz. Time out. Ruiz, second personal foul.
Hindi, ilang team foul?
13 foul.
Good boys.
Score, 23-19, 4-point lead by Good Boys. Watch out to you, my friend. What is your name, bro? Vidal, what is your name next to you? You don't know? You don't know? Okay, I don't know also. Is it K Showtime?
2 shot. Magkapatid ba yung dalawang ko na yun na yan?
Pagpinsan.
Back to the ball game.
3 shot.
Maya na, hindi malilito dyan.
First free throw by Mr. Dinuguan. Wale.
At di ba kayo pupito ka na?
Oo. Basta 60, matik yan.
Kaya nga.
Oo, bali bigyan mo tong 20. 15.
Pangalawa, wala pa rin. Nasobra sa timpla. Na-steal pa rin niya. Napakabait, pinasala sa kalaban. Don Guarino, shoutout sa'yo. Ruiz, driving baseline. Good for 2 by Walter Ruiz. Score natin, 23-21, 2-point lead by Good Boys. Torres, jumper, in and out. Putback by Blanco. Good for 2 by Blanco. Sana all, maraming fans. Fuentes na unang chan. Fuentes.
Stop daw si
Okay, sige. Pag may dead ball. Pinasa kay Ruiz. Jumper, no good. Rebound by Dotado. Ruiz, pass to Fuentes. Fuentes, 3 seconds without passport. Sub. Go out. Sub, sige, pasok lang.
Baksapra.
Baksapra out. Sino ba? Jam out. Adrian Abalos, shoutout sa'yo. Jano Marino. Louis De Leon, wala na. Si Joel. Carrion, pass to Ebonia. Foul. Shooting foul, number 8. Ruiz, third personal foul. 3 free throws by Al Ebonia.
warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty ang mga nakaputi. First basket is good. Sasab ka ba? Hindi kita naramdaman. May upuan dito ah. Ayaw mo po. Yan. Papareyo. Pangalawa. Pasok pa rin. Okay. Pag na-shot, may sub. Remaining time. 1 minute. 20 seconds. Wala. Rebound by Ebonia again. Ebonia shot. Rebound by Ebonia again. Ebonia foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 10. Dotado, sub rep. Dotado. Sino ba? Ruiz out. Ruiz out. Carrion out. Unang free throw. Pasok yan.
28. 21.
Score 28-21, 7-point lead by Good Boys. Second throw. 28-21. 28-21. Oy! Punta by Torres. Torres again. Torres. Pass to Ebonia. Ebonia. No good. Rebound by Fuentes.
Fuentes, pass to Sangrones. Sangrones. Foul. Nagpasabit pa. Foul number 34. Domanais. Second personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Good Boys. Score 28-23. 5-point lead by Good Boys. Remaining time 50 seconds. Oy, completed.
Score, tama. Okay, tama.
Blanco, by Dotado. Ngunit may foul.
Bonnie, nasa na?
Penalty.
Foul number 10. Penalty.
Awayin lang.
Oo, huwag mo na uwain.
Hindi ka din ano.
Ang dami ko pinamigit.
Kukunin na nga natin yun.
Eh, may gusto ng kapitalo ko. Namigit sa mga kasabaraw ko. Limang pera ng ito. Tatlo. Limang tip pala ko pa ba yun. Nabigas pa siguro. 31 seconds.
Fuentes.
Oy! Foul number 26. Penalty.
Second.
26, Robby Carion. Second personal foul.
Dali mo dito, pagkano?
Nabibigay ko na na. Sa bahay, binantak ko.
Oo, nabalik mo naman pala eh.
Lugi eh.
Ta?
Naglugi eh. Binantakan ko, isang balo. O, isa na isa.
Wala pa rin. Malas ka pa rin. 32 seconds. Jamel, Blanco by Torres. Rebound by Francisco, still by Viñas. Viñas, flying without wings. Viñas, no good. Rebound by Sangrones. Sangrones, no good again. Sangrones again. Foul! Wow! Who's foul, rep? Foul number 26. Robby Carion. Third personal foul. Sub rep. Ha? Naibigay na. Umupo ka na dyan. Sasab ka pa. 18 seconds na lang. 8. Wag na. Ano ka na? Ano ka na? Unang tira. Wala yan. Sabi nila. Pag hindi na-shoot, bumalik ka na doon. Umupo ka sa kanya. Upuan mo siya. Upuan mo siya. Wisit. Pangalawa. Sub. Kailangan ng firepower. The whistleblower. Shoutout sa'yo, Ana Rose Policapio. By Jesse Carion. Ebonia, court to court. In and out. Rebound by Back Sabra. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 3.
Alin.
Edi wawalan.
29-25.
Score 29-25. 4-point lead by Good Boys. Ikaw muna mag-live. Para maganda din.
Hindi, ayaw.
Mag-shout out ka na din.
Hindi makasiwa ko. Luis. Pass to Vikas. Sabado. No. Save ball. 14 seconds on clock. Baksaka, Sabre, Ruhi, Suryana, Suryana, Rubai, Lusada, Pass to Torres, Castillo, Castillo, Amigo ball. Baksaka. Right there. Baksaka. Head shoot. Sabado. Baksaka. Pasok 13.9. Castillo. Baksaka. Ako Muñoz. Ruiz. Wala. Vigas wala pa rin. Ribuay. Castillo. Castillo. Baksaka. Good boys. 32-29. 32-29. Back to the goal. Good boys ball.
Pasok yan, dahil Baksaka. Kanyon, ayan, ako po.
Good boys, good boys. Ay, nakabalik ka na ng mga boys. 10 seconds to go. Pio. Ebonya, sobra, nakuli. Ah! Grabe ka lang sana. Hindi ko kumay. Piñas. Pass to Baksaka. Sapri. Pass to Ruiz. Ruiz. Pass to Gray. Gray Jamel. Gray. Wale. Ribabay. Dominize. Pass to Camion. Case by Baksaka. Rebound by Sabra. Back Sabra. Back Sabra. Still by Gomanais. Gomanais. Pass to. Tapos mo pass to the bola. Ruiz. 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 Foul. Foul committed by number 18. Noli Sapoto. First personal foul. Samret. Mama. Score 34-31. 3-point lead by Amigos. Okay, upo ka muna. Pasok. First free throw. Basket. Second free throw. Basket. Stop. Saporno out. Blanco in.
36.
Score 36-31, 5-point lead by Amigos. Blanco, pass to Marion. Robotic, pass to Marion. Robotic. Marion, pass to Blanco. Remaining time, 3 minutes, 35 seconds. Ruiz, drop pass to Gray, pass to Biñas. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Sabado. Magluluto na. Sabado, no goal, riba by Gray. Last touch by Domanais. Stop. Lozada out to begin. Great pass to Mamar. Pass to Ruiz. Traveling by Ruiz. Mabagal na pero mabagal ka pa. Gray, super layup. Blanco, pass to Marion. Whoop, stay by Ruiz, Stay ball. Sabret, Gray out. Fuentes. In. Blanco incoming the ball. Blanco. Pass to Domanais. Pass to Mamar. Super reverse. Mamar. Blanco. Pass to Marion. Robic pass to Jesse. Pass to Domanais. Good for Sabado, pass to Mamar. Mamar sending a play. Pass to Ruiz. 10 seconds to shoot. Ruiz. 5 seconds. Foul. Foul number 28. Jesse Marion. Unchecked. Second personal foul.
Second team foul.
Second team foul. Good boys. Remaining time. Last 1 minute in the third quarter. Fuentes. No good. Rebound. Domanais. Ruiz. Walter. Still by. Pick up by Biñas. Jumper. Too short. Rebound by Biñas again. Biñas. Pass to Fuentes. Pass to Mamar. Traveling without passport. Remaining time, 24 seconds.
May timeout na po.
Paso Arion. Arion, paso Blanco. Remaining time, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3. And on the third quarter, let's go. 38-37, 1.85, Amigos.
Four. Four.
4 na, 4 quarter.
Last quarter.
Bakit? Nakalimutan mo na yung sodium bra mo.
Naglaban ang daming tatlo.
Calvo, where are you going, Calvo? Back to the ball game. Fourth and final quarter. Hindi mag-iiwalay ito. Mahalaga yung isa. Buwan ng good boys.
Ready na yung bayan.
Karion, pas ke dalam Karion. Pas ke Torres. Ganti Benitez. Karion, tendeng sudut baik. Sangrones, pas ke Benitez, pas ke Baksapra, pas ke Sangrones. Sangrones breaks. Sangrones still by Ebonya. Pas ke Karion. Tendeng sudut pas ke Torres. Baksapra. Pinasay Sangrones. Bersama tinggi nomor 5 Blanco, pas ke Torres, pas ke Ebonya. Vinyas, pas ke Jamil. Gray, lihat. Gray, betul baik. Gray, Jamil. Torres, pas ke Domenais, pas ke Karion. Pas ke Torres, Torres, lihat nomor 15. Domenais, pas ke Benitez. Pas ke Jamil. Jamil nomor. Lantas by Ebonya, white ball. Stop. Shoutout sa'yo, Bonnie. Huwag ka na magalit. Bati na tayo. Gray. Pass to Vinyas. Super jumper. No good. Pass back to Junel. Super Vinyas. Pass to Baksapra. Baksapra nagmamadali. Baksapra. Pinasay Sangrones. Page. Sangrones pass to Jamil. Black by Domenais. Pinasay Junel. Pinasay Ebonya. Still one tapos. Ebonya. Shot clock 10 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Gray, taking Gray. Gray, 3 points. Score natin, 43-39. 4 for goal. Still by Sangrones. Pinatay Baksapra. Foul. Foul number 34, Domenais. Third personal foul, 2 free throws. Time's up.
First team foul.
Okay, sige, labas ka lang. 2 free throws by JM Baksapra. Unang tira. Pasok yan. Panis, maingay sila. Sige ate, kaya mo yan. Sabi ni Bonnie. Pangalawa, pasok pa rin. Torres. Torres. Pasok Junel. Junel. Spin move. Junel. Junel. Ginugulo. Tempo. Domalay. Apat lang ang lamang ng mga amigos. Ruiz. Ruiz. Pass to Baksapra. Baksapra. Kikip Luis. Diretso. Malakas lang. Nakakulit. Ebonya. 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 Uy! Ebonya. Nakaiwan. Good ball to Ebonya. Ruiz. 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 Foul na naman. Si Domanais. Ay,
Warning
bunso.
for
Bunso.
graduate.
34, warning for graduate, Domanais. 2 free throws by Walter Ruiz.
Ano niya, magod. Oh.
Pangalawa ni Ruiz. In and out, rebound by Domanais. Domanais. Pass to Torres. Torres. Still by Baksapra. Baksapra. Pass to Ruiz. Ruiz. Still pasa by Viñas. Viñas. 10 seconds to shoot. Gray. Gray. Basket. Pulang. Carrion, naliliyo na. Sub rep, sub. Time out. Amigos. Score 48-43. 5-point lead by Amigos. Remaining time 4 minutes 26 seconds. Pace of the night, the one and only skinhead Boss B. Back to the ball game. Wala pa kang nilalaro. Wala.
Sino best player mo? Yan, nagkanda lang.
Sangrones bounding the ball. Sangrones taking three. Sangrones. Fire. Short. Rebound by Robic. Robic. Foul. Committed by number 8. Walter Ruiz. Ruiz. Fourth personal foul. Maria Faith Parto. Josefina Villanueva. Alan Angelo. Cancan. Dongdon Francisco. Emmanuel Gumahat. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Carrion. Pass to Ebonya, back to Carrion. Carrion, nagmamadali. Carrion, pinasa kay Torres, pinasa kay Domanais. Short, Ibabay. Viñas, pinasa kay Ruiz. Ruiz, pass to Jamel. Cray, bumuelo na pinasa na pala kay Sangrones. Tumira, good for 2 by Sangrones. Shoutout po kay Teresa at kay Kaizel dyan na nanonood, bossing. Shoutout nga po pala. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Ebonya, no good. Pinasa kay Baksapra. Foul. Committed by number 26, Robbie Carrion. Warning for graduate, Robbie Carrion. 13 foul, good boys. Shoutout daw sa'yo, Jesse Carrion by Ana Rose Policarpio. Unang tira, pasok. Lumalayo. Pero lumalayo ang Amigos.
Sige, sabayan nyo nga, isa nga lang, oh. Isa nga lang nga ni... stop, ref, stop. Binyas out, Dotado in. Dominize, pass to Torres. Torres, pinasa sa committee. Pinasa sa committee ni Torres. Ang bait-bait mo. Shoutout sa'yo, Angelo, shoutout sa'yo. John Jason Leviste, shoutout sa'yo. Remaining time, 3 minutes, 25 seconds. Ruiz, sinking swing. No good, liba by Torres. Torres, pass to Dominize. Dominize, ginugulo. Pinasa kay Ebonia. Pinasa kay Torres. Pinasa kay Carion. Tumira. Pasok yan. Good by Carion. Jesse. Ruiz. Pinasa kay Sangrones. Pass to JM. Balik kay Sangrones. Still by Torres, lumipad. Torres, malakas. Technical. Ano ang ginawa mo? Ha? Stamping. Isa lang. Technical, stamping. Bawal pumadyak. Pagpatira. Bawal padyakan ng shooter. Disconcerting.
Nice call.
Nice rap. Ngayon, alam niyo na. Bawal papadyak. Bawal pumalakpak. At bawal takpan ng mata. Ebonia, tigin three. Wala pa rin. Magana ang ring. Rebound by Torres. Balik kay Ebonia. Ebonia pa rin. Pasok na yan. 3 points by Ebonia. Ilan na lang? 4 na lang ang lamang. 2 minutes, 34 seconds. Tao. Chris. 10 seconds to shoot. Chris Sangrones, block by Dominize. Pinasa kay Torres, pinasa kay Carion pa rin. Carion! Good photo by Carion! Time out, amigos. Na-time out pa sila? Wala na time out ang mga nakaputi. Pumanig na ang monumento. Hindi na. Meron pa yan. Hindi na third. May isa pa. May isa pang time out ang amigos. May isa pa pala. Sorry. Back to the ball game. Ganda ng laban. 2 na lang. 5-0 nating run. Ayan. Ruiz. Guarded by, ang pangalan nyo? Carion. Ruiz, dire-diretso. Ruiz pa rin. Ruiz pa yan. Lista mo yan. Walter Ruiz. Carion. Guarded by Viñas. Foul by Viñas. Foul number 96, Viñas. Ilang foul na? First personal foul. Ilang team foul na? Second team foul, amigos. Torres. Oy! Huwag mong dadalhin sa gilid. Yan ang tatandaan mo. Score, 54-50. 4-point lead by amigos. Ruiz. Offensive foul. Viñas. Number 96. Offensive foul. Legal pick. Ano ba yan? Nagkakarambola na kayo. Carion. Pass to Carion. Pinsan. Pinasa kay Dominize. Carion. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha na Ebonia. Hindi na makayuko sa Ebonia. 10 seconds to shoot. Ebonia. Good photo by Ebonia. Ruiz nagpapadali. Ruiz! Malakas! Still by Sangrones. 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 Wala pa rin. Rebound by Jamil. Ray. Wala pa rin. Meron may foul. Foul number 34. Domanais, may foul. Pahinga na. Score, 54-52. Warning for penalty, good boys. Unang tira, pasok yan. Ilakas mo. Pangalawa, mahina. Ay, nakakuha ni Ruiz. Nakakuha ni Gray. Gray, foul. Foul number 6. Too big. Pushing foul. Third personal foul. Sub rep. Sub. Losada in. Pasok. Panguna. Patuhin na talaga. Pasok yan. Okay. 4 ulit lamang. 1 minute 8 seconds. Pasok pa rin. Ayun o. Ay! Lap daw, Bonnie. Carrion, nagmamadali. Behind the back. Sub rep, sub. Jesse out, Jesse Carrion out. Robic in. Remaining time, 1 minute 3 seconds. 1 minute 3 seconds. Still by Baksabra. Baksabra, wala. Diba ba Ebonya? Still by Viñas. Pinatay Ruiz. Goal! Ginawa, nakawin Jamil. Good ball by Jamil. Time out. Good boys. Score 59-52. 7.5. Amigos. Remaining time, 47 seconds.
Pito.
Pito. Back to the ball game.
Hindi na.
47 seconds. Ebonya, tingin 3. Wala na, Wali. Nauni, Losada, tingin 3. Wala pa rin. 13 seconds. Viñas, pinasakay. Jamel, 3 balls. Binalik ka, Bonnie. Foul, number 22. Third.
Ilan na? Ilan team foul na?
13 foul. Wala pa penalty. 23 seconds. Ebonya, wala pa rin. Nakawa ni Gray. Inasa kay Viñas, magpapapilay pa sa ganun. Wala nang oras. 5 seconds. 3. End of the ball game. Best player, Gray Jamil.